Thank you for your interest in our current old position. In this following video, we're going to show you how to complete our simple application the correct way in order for you to be an eligible candidate. So please watch this video till the end so you go ahead and complete it correctly. So what you're going to see is you're going to be sent to either this application page or this one. Okay, it makes no difference. They're both the same. Okay, and what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and create your account in order to keep track and progress of your application that you've submitted. Okay, and it's very simple, very easy to do. It's just a couple steps to do, and depending on the page that you go, okay, as you can see, it's right here. On this one, you're going to go ahead and create it here, and you're going to go ahead and submit the best email address that you have. Okay, go ahead and submit the best email address that you have. Make sure it's an email address that you use constantly for important emails and things like that, because you're going to be contacted by a hiring manager directly through this email. So go ahead and do that, and after you do that, go ahead and click on this agree and create your account. All right, now this account is very important because you'll be able to track the progress of your application that you submitted. Plus, a hiring manager will contact you after you submit the application, and they will get in contact with you and provide more details about the application, a lot more details about the position that you're applying for, and you go ahead and ask more questions and go from there. So I hope you have a great day and good luck.